I've called you all here today because I'd like to talk to you about, the first thing is we are going to do team building exercises today. And the second thing is I am banning Pokemon cards from the office forever.
Thank God.
So, I told you guys this morning that we are going to be doing team building exercises, and we are starting them now. So this is the person that's going to be leading us in doing them. He's going to tell us all the activities and the instructions that we are going to be doing. And his name is Snoop Lion, and he's from the court.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Right now, I've heard rumors. This isn't the best thing I've heard. This isn't the worst thing. Don't feel bad. But right now, I have a team building exercise. I want you all to figure this out. Until this is done, this isn't called teamwork. Here you go.
Oh, I think I found out something.
Oh wait, babe, this is gonna be a
God.
long day.
Is this like turning up the volume or something? Where's the noise? Nobody in the office knows what a Rubik's Cube is. So what do you do when you don't know something? You look it up online, duh. Like I did. And the rest of the people in the office don't know that, so I have to do everything online myself. Ugh.
So as you know, the Secret Santa gift swap is coming up soon, and I put Timmy in charge of it, so everyone line up and pull a name out of Timmy's hat.
Look away. Look away. Good. Look away. Look away. No, turn it left. Turn it right. Your other right. Turn it up. Turn it down. A little more down. Oh my God. This is gonna be a long day.
Man, you really need that team building.
Told you so.
Oh my God, why won't this work? Why can't we figure it out? Ugh.
Hey guys, I think I figured it out.
Oh God.